This is a story of a father and his son. Once there was a very wealthy man out with his son to a faraway country. He wanted his son to see how a poor lives daily. So there they lived in modesty. As they went back to town, the man asked his son, "How do you think of our course, son?" The son replied, "It was so much fun." "What have you learned?" The son expressed his perception. "We have one pet, yet they own livestock and have lots of fun. We owned a swimming pool inside, yet they swim by the stream noontide. We bought food to eat, but they planted and eat. We installed lamps row upon row, yet they had stars shining aglow. High fences we put to protect, yet they make sure everyone's always on check. Devices we held so dearly, yet hands of loved ones they hold tightly. We lived in the hill of luxury, yet they have God providing infinitely." The man can't say a word. Along this time he misunderstood. His son continues, "Dear father, I thank you. What a wealth is I barely knew." "Son, dear, no, it is you who taught me so. A man of knowledge once said, abundance of prosperity is no true wealth, that the truest of wealth is the heart in tranquility, seeking love from God the Almighty.